Hey everybody, good afternoon. This is Neil. It's Thursday, May the 25th. Oh man, right in front of a holiday weekend. I guess a lot of the kids will be out of school as of tomorrow. Kick off the summer, and maybe one day soon we get an answer to this looming, lingering question about these debt ceiling discussions that are going on, allowing this market to maybe move out of the middle here. But as of today, you can see on screen here that it's still right there in the middle. It's 59 trade right now. It'll be 53 trade by the time we're done with this video. That's where it's been a good deal of time today. And it did move higher though from yesterday. I forgot to mention yesterday that yesterday was midweek shuffle low. It was a low for the week yesterday. And with that, let's remember when you see either a high or a low for the week, you don't want to chase that. You want to that's a fade. It's not a chase. And the result here is higher today, back into right back. I mean right back to 41.50, and spent most of the day there, and we'll probably again tomorrow, and then we'll have another look at it early next week, see if anything changes. There was a little bit of talk out today about, I think we're making some progress, and then there was, no, we're going to hold off and hold out until there's some changes, significant, change, whatever. So it's the same price, same everything. But just remember, I think I've said this before, one of the more recent videos. There's no limit to the number of contracts that can be traded here. On average, it's like a float in the number of shares of IBM that are out there. But here, you have a long for a short, short for a long, buy for a sell for a buy for everything that's transacted, and that's an infinite number of these things that can trade. And on average, we get about mill and a half, 1.5 or so million contracts a day, and it sits here in sideways like this for 7 weeks. So you take 1.5 million times 5 times 7 weeks, so times 5 times 7, and that's a lot of business that's going off, largely right around the middle here. That's where the most of it's gone off, between 40 and 53. Those are the two big prices. So my point is, when it does come out of the center here, it ought to be a rather spectacular move, truly, because there's a lot that's half of that's going to be offside, right? So you scramble to cover, and boy, can that make for a really impressive move. Which way it goes, I don't know. Nobody knows, but I know the way that we could, I think, do the best with it would be if it broke south first down to that 4,000 area, and we buy it, and wait for the last minute midnight deal that struck or whatever, and then it's next thing you know, it's up at from 4,000 up to 4,300 before we can turn around twice. That'd be ideal. We'll see how it plays out though. That's really about all I got. No, I didn't like the way crude traded today, I'll tell you that. Got a little weak, and I was not happy to see that. It's down about 3% today. $2.50 for 3%. So keeping an eye on that. Had in mind it being above 74, and it's not the case right now. So I'll watch that closely tomorrow. I have no intentions of getting shaken out of it, but you never know either, right? And I'm definitely interested in long gold, but from way lower, 1870, 1880, something down there. It's 1940 today, so give you an idea. That's a pretty fair distance. And that's really it. That's what I got. Hope everybody has a good rest of your week. I don't think I do videos anymore this week, so good rest of your week. early holiday, first part of the week next week, and then we'll get right back after it. We'll get after it and see what we can make of this thing. So good trading till then. Take care and have a good weekend.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me